Good morning, everyone. It is day 11. This is our Saturday, and today is the day that I've got to get a lot of things done. I have already started. I've been up about a half hour, so I've already cleaned up the kitchen so that I can make a big mess in it again. I need to make sugar cookies today, and I also need to make Chex Mix and a cake for our Christmas celebration, because tomorrow, which will be Sunday, is when we celebrate our family's Christmas. So I always make a chocolate bundt cake for Christmas dinner. So that is what I need to get done today. I also need to wrap presents today. That is the main thing. So bake cookies, decorate cookies, make Chex Mix, make a cake, and wrap presents. Those are the main things I need to get done today. And hopefully I do not have to run out and get another present, because I think I've got it handled, but I don't know exactly. Isn't that terrible? Once I get things out and started wrapping them, I think I'll have a better handle on what I have. I mean, I have a list. It's not like I'm going blindly into this, but I don't know if I updated my list exactly. You know how you pick up one thing one time when you're out sometime, and then it forgets to get on the list, and then you got a whole bunch of little things for the same person? Yeah. I always end up doing that for at least one person every single year. I don't know why that is. But anyways, so yeah, we're going to get the Chex Mix going here. I already have a batch in the oven, and I'm going to plan to do 2 batches of that. So I'll show you how to make that, and then we'll go through cookies and try to get those at least mixed up so they can sit in the fridge for the 2 hours that they need to do that. And then I also want to move some furniture around in the living room, and I need to put laundry away. So it's just going to be a day of a whole bunch of little tasks that need to be done so that we can celebrate Christmas. So I will check in with you later. Bye.